I got a good one. Is it okay to have opposite sex friends even if you're married or in a committed relationship? Is that healthy? You're gonna be married so-called, okay, you're married so-called for life. You've had friends before, so is it okay to maintain that while you're in a loving, healthy relationship?
I think so. I always felt like, that, this world is made up of men and women. And, I don't think that God just wants us to get married and, one man, you just don't talk to no other women, But I also feel as men and women, you should, know what types of relationships to carry on with the opposite sex. If it's just platonic friends and things like that, then that's one thing. You should be able to bring that person around your spouse and, things like that. When you're secretly flirting or, having another intimate relationship with somebody, even if it's just conversation, things like that, it still can be considered as intimate.
I think it's all about respect. As long as that person, your friend, respect me as your woman or as your wife, and your friends respect me, it's a mutual respect, then everything is all right. Friendship is very healthy to have a friendship with a different sex or whatever, but as long as we respect and we know each other, and we can be friends together, just respect.
So what about like if I say, well, I'm going to have dinner with my lady friend. All right, honey, I'll be home I'll be back home around 9:30. I'm just we're going to the bar and I don't drink, she don't drink, but we're going to kick it. Is that okay? That's great.
Those relationships get really tricky because it just all depends on if that female friend and that male friend both have someone. If both of them are married, a lot of times it's a safe relationship. Not always. Because sometimes you got a male friend that's married and a female friend who can't find a man. She's looking at her male friend like, oh, she's so lucky, and tends to get kind of jealous of the wife and shows it in different ways, like how to communicate with the wife and just communicate with us. It gets really tricky. So you really have to make sure that if you're in a marriage, that you make sure that your wife is secure with this relationship, and you make sure that your friend understands that your wife or your husband comes first before the friendship.
But I guess it could be, you can have friends. Nah, I'm just playing. Hell nah. I'm your only friend, man. You cannot have no friends from the opposite sex. Unless she my friend, she better be my friend first. And I might not even trust her ass. Hell no, nigga. No, I'm just playing.
What if I had friends before you? That's just how I rock. Like if I rock like that, if I just had plenty friends, and we've been friends, and we're not intimate, we just cool. So I just like to hang out with them. I might not want to kick it with you tonight, but I'm going with my lady friends over here and just
We is not on love and basketball, right? You do not have no friends unless they stuffed animals. Like
If you want to have a relationship like that, then don't enter into a committed relationship. If you want to, continue to, say, well, hey, I'm going out to dinner with this other female, and expect your female to be okay with it, then
I'm just kidding.
don't enter into a committed relationship.
some men can feel like that's it, like I'm in prison. Like if I just like not saying we riding together, but like we might have met up somewhere and we chilling and we just kicking it, grabbing drinks and nothing else. So you're not gonna, even if I was cool with you like that from a man's perspective.